use?
Oak. Oak from Skåne as well, like the St. Louis ribs. So we want to go as near Austin as possible. It's important to do it authentic. It's nice to have that kind of equipment here.
Yeah.
Like all the best places in the world have. Yeah, it's very, very nice to work with. I remember the first time it was very difficult. The temperature up, down, new wood. Oh my God, to keep it at 250 Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's very big. We can cook a lot of meat in it, and it's a rotisserie. And it has some more techniques. We can it's heat elements and that kind of thing. Temperature control. It's easier to work with temperature, but the flavor, the smoke flavor, gets more intense in offset than here. So some parts we do at the offset, some parts we do here, depending on how we want it to taste. Yeah. Get some air into it, so as you can see, it gets airflow. And right now, every smoke get up. If you take a look, so now the smoke goes up.
Okay, yeah.
If we close this one, it's getting into the chamber. In the beginning, we did so many.
I mean, that's how it is.
Yeah, that's the way. But you have to think all the time. You have to learn, think, and Holy Smoke, Johan, was very nice to talk to, and we can learn a lot from them.
They also have one of these.
Yeah.
Did you get to work with them over there for a bit, or?
Yeah, I was there the summer before we opened here, or 1 year before. I was there for a week and work, just to see everything working and get some ideas how we're going to build the kitchen. Yeah, Holy Smoke was very important for us in the beginning. First time I decided to do this, started Googling about smokers. What kind of equipment shall we use? You don't know what to do. You don't know how to get this one home. Meal scale. So, yeah. Holy Smoke helped us a lot. Get the J&R home, the meal scale. People come here and say they don't eat, I don't like fat. But when they take the pork belly, they love it. It's the long time in the smoke or on the low temperature, and then it tastes good. But here with the low and slow, it's getting nice.